Introduction to Azure Synapse Client Library. The Azure Synapse Client Library is a set of software development kits that enable developers to build cloud-based analytics solutions. It allows you to interact with Azure Synapse Analytics from various programming languages such as Python and C#. Getting started with Azure Synapse Client Library. To get started with the Azure Synapse Client Library, you need to install the relevant software development kit for your preferred programming language. For Python, you can use pip install Azure Synapse Analytics to install the library. Key concepts in Azure Synapse Client Library. There are several key concepts in the Azure Synapse Client Library, including workspaces, databases, and pipelines. A workspace is the top-level resource for Azure Synapse Analytics and holds all your analytics resources. A database is a container that holds your data, and a pipeline is a series of activities that extract, transform, and load your data. Practical example of Azure Synapse Client Library. Here is a practical example of using the Azure Synapse Client Library in Python. You can use the library to create a new workspace and database. You can then use the library to create a new pipeline and run it to extract, transform, and load your data. Best practices for using Azure Synapse Client Library. There are several best practices for using the Azure Synapse Client Library. You should always handle errors and exceptions properly to ensure your code is robust and reliable. You should also use authentication and authorization to secure your analytics resources. Additionally, you should monitor your analytics resources to ensure they are performing well. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Azure Synapse Client Library is a powerful tool for building cloud-based analytics solutions. It enables developers to interact with Azure Synapse Analytics from various programming languages, and provides a range of key concepts and practical examples to get started. By following best practices, you can ensure your analytics solutions are robust, reliable, and secure.